I walk through lands where hearts were stone, among the crowd yet all alone. But every time I lost my way, your light, oh Allah, called me to pray. Oh Allah, you are my only home. When I am weak, when I'm unknown, not in this world nor in the skies, but in your name my refuge lies. I fall, I break, I stand, I kneel, and you, yeah Allah, you always hear. The words I spoke, the sins I hid, the nights I cried for what I did. You knew it all, yet still forgave. You pulled me gently from the grave. No kings I praise, no wealth I trust. This soul is yours, return it just. And when my final breath shall be, let La ilaha illallah carry me. Oh Allah, you are my only home. When I am weak, when I'm unknown, not in this world nor in the skies, but in your name my refuge lies. I fall, I break, I stand, I kneel, and you, yeah Allah, you always hear. Forgive me, guide me, hold me near, Ya